Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be cleaning. If you need to clean, definitely put this video on and just get to cleaning with me. I've got some really cute little like Christmas songs that are gonna go along with this video to keep you motivated for the holiday cleaning, getting everything ready for Christmas, or at least just tidying everything up. I know for myself, I have 4 kids, if you didn't know that already. This house gets ridiculously crazy within like 2 hours. I got this new vacuum in that I am so excited about. I'm about to show y'all it, and I do use it in this video to just show y'all what I use it for. It is from TOPPIN, and they sent this to me to try out, and I'm so grateful. So let me show y'all what it looks like real quick. So it is a cordless handheld vacuum, super lightweight, which I love. My daughter even tries to use it because of this, how short it is. Now if you want to lengthen it, you just push this and it comes out so that it's, you know, my height. What I do like about it is that this right here, instead of having a bunch of bristles, it's almost like wool, and this obviously rolls whenever you turn it on. So the next thing is, obviously this is where you hold it. This little trigger here turns it on, and then the top part here, you can set it to 2 speeds. And then this is the battery. These little lights right here will light up when you plug it in. It comes with a plate that you can put on the wall to hang it up, and it does come with the charger, so you just plug it in. It's almost like a phone charger. You just plug in this little like phone charger and as the little lights light up, it'll tell you when it's ready. And then this will last for about 35 minutes, the charge on this vacuum. And then super easy to clean. You just hold it over the trash can. We're gonna do it this way. Okay, press the button. Oh, I had something in there. And this pops open, and then if you have any extra stuff up here, you just twist this and it comes right out, so you can clean it totally. See, there you go. Twist it right back in, close it up, ready to go. It does come with attachments, so if you need to do like your little corners around your house, baseboards, all of that kind of stuff, little crevices that are really hard to get into, this is great, especially because it's so lightweight. These little green things you see all over here is usually the buttons to unlock everything. So there you go, that's how you unlock it. Let's say I need this little guy right here, like if I'm gonna do my fans, which when I do clean my fans, I like to have the bristles on it. And so I stick that in here, there you go. Now you have your little handheld thing. This thing is so lightweight, it's crazy, y'all. And then this little piece right here with the bristles, if you don't want the bristles, you can just do this and it locks it down low. So that way you have a little piece here without the bristles, which I think is really cool. Starting today, you guys will get a discount code. So if you guys do want to get one for yourself, or if you're in the market for one, or even these would be great gifts. I am the type of person that I love gifts that I can use and that are functional and practical. If you are the same, or if you know somebody that would love something like this would even be great to like clean your car out with because it is so lightweight. I clean my rugs, my really nice rugs, I clean with this. I clean under the tree with this to get all the needles up, and especially the fans. And of course, any other crevices that I need to grab. My daughter drops food everywhere. There's always a mess for me to clean in this house. I hate having to pull out my huge vacuum that has a cord attached to it, because then I have to undo the cord, plug it in. It's just a hassle. So this thing has definitely saved my life and cut the time down like to nothing to help me clean up my little kid messes. If you are like me, definitely use the code. I will have it linked right here on the screen and also down below. I will also have links to the website and to their Amazon links, because they do have this on Amazon as well if you want to order it there. Definitely check this one out, and let's go ahead and get started with this Clean With Me for the Holidays video. also want to point out that this vacuum is really good at picking up pet hair. So if you have any animals at home that shed a lot all over your furniture or on your carpets and your rugs, even your hardwood floors, this seriously is so good at picking up the dog hair in my house. The least favorite part of cleaning for me is doing dishes. And I don't know if it's just because I have a big family now, and so we're constantly, eating and having a lot of different meals, so the dishes just pile up. But I just loathe doing dishes. Let me know down below, what is the least favorite area in your home that you like to clean? For all my mamas out there with kids that are still drinking out of a bottle or a sippy cup, this little tip for y'all is really great during the day. If you start a little side, if you do have a sink like mine at least, you can fill it up with hot water and soap and just let them soak in there throughout the day, and that way all you have to do is rinse them out when you need to use them instead of having to use the brush to clean them all the time. We live in an old rental home, and so all of the appliances are super old, and this white stove literally has these horrible burn stains on it that I cannot get up with anything that I've tried, and I hate it because it just makes it look dirty all the time. So if you guys have something like this and you have found something that just gets that off and makes it nice and white again, please let me know down below. I would love to know what I could use to make this stove look nice and bright and white. Another thing I love about this vacuum is how small it is, because it fits under little tiny spaces like under your bed or like under this table, for example. These are spots that I couldn't get with my other vacuum, which I really love, because I would have had to get down there with my hand on my hands and knees and grab little pieces of whatever that was underneath this table, or I would have to move it out of the way, which is just a hassle every time you have to vacuum. But I also love that it has this light on there. I think that's just super unique, and that way I don't have to bend down. Like I said, I can see where I'm vacuuming and where the dirt is and what I need to pick up.
doing, boo-boo? What you doing, boo-boo bear?
This little bathtub scrubber has seriously just changed the game for me. I love it. I got it probably like 4 or 5 months ago, and it just makes cleaning this bathtub so much easier. Now the only thing I wish it did come with like a stick attachment, because it's a little hard for me to reach the other side of the tub when I'm leaning over, but it still helps clean this thing so much better. My kids actually love to vacuum because of this little vacuum. Now that it's in this shorter length, it's like the perfect size for baby girl. It's still a little bit heavy for her, but she loves to help, and just like my boys love to help. Ever since we got this thing, they ask to vacuum all the time, which Mama is thankful for. I hope you guys enjoyed this little clean with me for the holidays video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.